Hi, I'm here with Alex Newcole from ESP Energy Saving Products, and today he's going to tell us about a very important product, especially in the IAQ world, this universal solenoid valve, the UHS 99. Alex, why is this a must-have, and why should contractors get it from Jackson Systems?
Yeah, so humidifier solenoids in the fall and winter time, anybody who has a whole home humidifier is going to deal with a failed humidifier solenoid valve at one time or another. You know, you figure you got water running through, you've got electrical pulses on and off, any scale, anything is going to cause that solenoid to fail.
Oh boy.
Contractor doesn't necessarily know what brand of humidifier solenoid is installed. Okay, he could have 2/4 compression fittings, a 1/4 and a 5/16, or a 1/4 and a barb fitting. Okay, so the UHS 24 is a 24 volt solenoid with all those available. The UHS 99, which I have here, has a 2/4 compression fittings, which is most common, already installed.
Okay. Which is more common, do you think? Do you find out in the field, the 24 or the 99?
So the 24 is great for truck stock. Again, it could replace any OEM humidifier solenoid valve you're ever going to come across. You just need to have some thread sealant ready to go, and you're good to go. The 99, though, replaces most of them, and we've already done the work for you. We've put the 2/4 compression fittings on. You're ready to roll.
Great. Yeah, I have a whole home humidifier, and that's very interesting. I'm glad I know about this. So if you want to know more about this, check it out on the website at www.jacksonsystems.com. These products are available. You can call us if you have any questions on the solenoid valve or anything else from Energy Saving Products at 888-652-9663. Thank you for watching.